Alright guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today na the very first day you dey come here, I say make all of una subscribe, like, just don't wash and go. Subscribe, promote our page too, In a quick one, so I just want you to understand that we ship everywhere, all of our days we sell them raw materials as well we sell. If you want to buy organic recipes, and also you can contact us, we sell them, we ship everywhere worldwide. So let's quickly dive into this. I want to teach you how to Promix this lotion without using any tube, okay, but that you can achieve your aim. Now we all know egg yolk already. This is a toning fade cream. Are you getting it? It tones you and it will fade away black spots. It will also help your skin to look good. Some said it works slowly, but I know it doesn't work slowly. It have a set. Are you getting it? Yes, a lot of people have not seen the set. It have a set. So not it works slowly. It have a soap also. It work perfectly according to the combination what you use with it. Are you getting it? Other than that, it's a toning lotion that it can fade away very fast. So don't say, oh, it's slow. I want to make this video very fast that you will enjoy it. If today is your first time coming in, once again, subscribe, like, and click on the notification button to enable you see new of our videos. We have a lot. I know we'll be coming gradually all the way back. So if you have any comment, leave it below. I will attend to you. So this is 250 ml. Just open this all of this and put it in your clean bowl. Make sure your bowl is what clean. Are you getting it? All right, so put this 250 ml of this cream. Okay, now you open your potion magic. Are you getting it? Yes, open your potion magic and put all of it. So you blend, you mix. Are you getting all these are whitening concentrate? Though it might not work in some people's body because your skin type is different, or maybe it doesn't assimilate very fast. Are you getting it? Other than propylene glycol, we have other solutions that can make your cream go very fast into the skin. Are you getting it? Yes. So you add this and you blend properly. So we just said we add these two, you blend properly. So look at it, let me show you. Are you getting it? You blend properly. Now I will advise you, then you must have soaked your snow white powder. And if you're using snow white powder, please, I would advise you to use a very small quantity, all right, because this is what we only just want to make it effective, right? More than you want to get, like you want to get 5 shades. So you're using this now, so you use your snow white powder. Please don't take more than 5 grams, and the 5 grams you soak it, all right? You soak it. You can use any other powder of your own choice. Let me not limit you anyway. You can use any powder of your own choice. So you soak it. You can soak it with your propylene, all right? You can soak it with your propylene glycol, all right? So you soak it for some, minutes. You must have soaked it before coming into this. Then after which you put your powder into the lotion. Then you mix till it dissolves. You know that okay, it's blend already, not dissolve, because it must have dissolved already with the propylene glycol. Then you put it. Then and the propylene glycol, it should just be about just 3 spoons. Okay, so you add it to it. Then now we talk of the good oil. We always talk about Labjanis has been a very good successful oil. All these are holy products that I know. There's been a very successful oil all the way, right? All holy products, they are very successful. I like them because they didn't pay me anything. I'm only just saying because of what I've just experienced since I've been using them. So you just open this and you put like 4 spoons of it Yes, 4 spoon. You know, this is a whitening toning oil also that can remove black spot. Yes, it remove black spot, and not just it go deep easily. Yes, it go deep easily to the skin. Though it's made of carrot, you can use other ones that are not made of carrot. And then again, I give you the free hand. If you want to use any other oil, you can use any other oil, but I just prefer this because it's a formula that I've given to somebody and it works. Are you getting it? Corresponding with this particular cream. So if you go use it with another cream, I don't know, it's gonna work anyway. Not that it's not gonna work, I just the possibility of how it's gonna look fast because I'm just giving you chop, 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 chop. All right. So then you put this one, just add 4 spoon. All right. So now let's go to our magic white. That's another holy product. Also, you put 4 spoon of this, which is very very successful as this and perfect. No side effect. Are you getting? No side effect at all? No side effect. So you can just put this, you know, just put 4 spoon as well, and you blend, 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 blend. Then to control our stretch mark, I wouldn't say you should just put only Shalom to control our stretch mark. I wouldn't say I would love you to put this Larissa oil also. So you just put one spoon, Shalom and Larissa oil. So you just put one spoon. So with this, I think we are capable of saying this lotion is excellent. This lotion is excellent. Are you getting it? It's excellent. So if you want to put any other fragrance by yourself, fine. Or you want to put preservative, but I don't think you put anything contradicting to the lotion that will make it get spoiled. Everything you put in just oil and concentrate. Also, you can still put your preservative if you want. So if you don't trust, if you don't know if it's gonna, you can just put your preservative. All right. So please, these are the things. Look at them. I ask you to use. Okay. So those are the things I ask you to use. Look at them here. Auto, nothing more, nothing less. These are the things I ask you to use. So if you've come to the conclusion that you can't promise all these that you want us to do for you, why not? You can contact us via the number on your screen. We ship everywhere: US, Canada, UK, Europe, Asia country, just around the globe. We ship everywhere, even in the country we deliver everywhere. And also we have our massaging company as well. If you want body massage, we massage. Just name it what you think you want to do. You need a good skincare routine, you can contact us as well. Also, you need a therapist, all of it, you can contact us. So we've come to the end of the class. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and remain Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. Bye bye.